guys, Rick Damon with Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri, here with an all-aluminum 2014 Sooner 3-horse. Got 10 or 11 foot short wall. It's got the big fridge in it. Got your power jack, power hydraulic jack, locking aluminum battery box. Got your LED light strip underneath your awning. Nice size awning. Aluminum wheels. What's it called? Tomax radial tires. They look like they're in great shape. Got your upgraded to your armor plating on the side. LED lighting on the outside. Load light here. No padlocks on this one. You have a key lock, which is an upgrade. Your rear ramp here. Okay. Got your removable stud divider here on the bottom. Now they've got panels here, so you can move this box here around. So if you want to use this, in fact you can. 1, 2, 3. This stall here is huge. And you could actually, I don't have a tape on me, but it actually looks like you could probably put 2 horses here in the front or use this forward mid-tack for sure. That's your pass-through door. Let's see here. Got your drop-down doors, separate face bars. Nice, solid doors. You see how thick they are compared to my hand. Again, your full armor plating on this side. Full escape door. Has the coveted, well, that's a big name there. Pass-through door. The short wall on this side is 10 or 11 feet. Got a rail on top of your window. It's up here for your radio antenna. You can haul fresh water. And a lot of people do because their horses don't like changing water. And then you can have your city water connection there with your water hose. It says 3-year limited, 10-year structural. Over there. Let's see, got your spare tire wheel here. Haul your water and drain it right here. It actually says cold water. Well, who would have thought it? I'd figured it'd been cold water, but who knows? Oh, it's got your upgraded stainless steel nose here on the front too. Cosmetically, the trailer is very eye-appealing. Take you inside, show you around here. I'll take you inside. First thing you're going to see is the dinette that makes into a bed. And you're going to see the optional recessed cooktop here. One of the big deals, as much as that front or that pass-through door, is the big fridge. Freezer on top, fridge on the bottom, gas, propane. That is a big deal in these campers, guys. Real nice countertop. I think you've got your countertop here, folds down, TV sets on it, swing you around through here, storage there, inside, outside stereo speakers, all storage there. Swing you around so you can actually see. Now I'm looking through this camera. It's got a little bit more yellowish tint than what it actually is. It's more a flatter color. Let's see if I can. There you are. That's about the color it actually is. I'll back this off and it turns a little more tannish. That's about the color. Take it down here on the floor. that's about the color, guys. We're also ducted heat. Okay. Now you also have hanging high and low. So, okay, take you into. Now you got the pocket door, and then you got another closet here. Lots of lighting, soft touch doors, nice vanity stainless steel sink. Okay. Okay, walk into the horse compartment. Okay, you got a power fan, and then your lights controlled here. So it'll spin you around here, and you could put a blue cover on that or red cover, just whatever color you desire. That's what we got on at this point. I don't know what else to tell you about it. It's been serviced. It is ready to go. I mean, the best I can tell about all it needs is just a home. Just a home. All right, give us a call, 573-885-6300, 573-885-6300, Cowtown USA in Cuba, Missouri. Thank you.